Yes, and I went to the beach. He borrowed my sleeping bag. He's been sleeping. I haven't. He just got woken up by all these boarding school kids here. It's like 4 in the morning. I don't know what these kids are doing here. Look at that. A swan.
Look at the swan.
Yes, just woke up. Good morning. I heard an old lady first complain about the boat out there in the distance, and then about the two of us sleeping here, like, oh no, that's illegal, you can't sleep there. She didn't say it to us, but I could hear her talking in the distance. And so I just immediately started collecting garbage, and I just picked up all the garbage all the way from there, all the way past there into a volleyball field. But yeah, now we're just chilling here. I had a bunch of older women come over and say, hey man, great job, keep it up, man. So I think we're good for now. Guys, I ended up staying up all night. I haven't slept. I just finished speaking to this nice lady who was here basically all morning, many hours. Very nice conversation. She invited us to go to this culinary event on the docks close to where Tutten is. Maybe I'll meet her there again. Yes is buying some alcohol for the Trangia so we can cook some steaks that he got us yesterday. I've been sitting out there on that pier like all morning, all day basically. Finally, I was hungry enough to cook something. Got some garlic bread here. From yesterday we ate some garlic bread and a steak as well. Itadakimasu. We left the beach. We went over to Tutten. Tutten. Now I'm helping a guy named Otto repair his speaker. There's an issue with the battery. But first I'm just taking a little bit of a chill sesh. It's been a great day, man. Been sitting on the pier for like 80% of the day, but damn, it's been good. I even went in the water, dude. I even went in the water. Look at my hair. It's all curly now from the salt water. Is anyone back here? Nope. We're just cooking and we're grilling. Check it out. This is gonna be a feast. Such nice days, man. I miss the Danish summers. I've checked the food. Let's go eat. Look at this. Itadakimasu.
To kaffe der. Der er ikke til slik her, det der, yes. Bare mig. That's cool.
I just got back here. I followed a Ukrainian girl home that I met today. She said it was 5 minutes to walk her home. So I'm like, yeah, of course I'll follow you home. Or like lead you home or accompany you home, whatever you call it. Turns out it's more like 50 minutes away. But it's alright. We had a nice conversation. I think we're gonna meet up tomorrow. Let's see. I definitely proposed a pretty interesting date if she's interested. You'll see if it turns into anything. Otherwise, you'll hear me talk about what my plans were. But I was walking up a fucking mountain, it feels like.
Jo, selvfølgelig sammen.
There's been a lot of different people hanging out here right now. This is just the late night crew, really, more than anything. There's been a bunch of people around, like Tutten It's the Cykeltutten, this place in the summer, man. It's lit. There's that great fucking crew and that great vibe here. When me and Yes comes by, it just absolutely wakes up this place. Like it just operates at 100% potential. This place. So when me and Yes are here with all the others, of course, they're like 95% of this whole place, making it work, actually doing the business part, the social part, and dealing with the government. But me and Yes, I don't know, man. We have brought a lot of people together here. We've had some good fucking fun here. I just don't end up showing you much of it because there's always like more people than here. I'm always talking to someone. It just doesn't feel natural to pull out the camera, you know? I'm always going to prioritize actually living rather than making some kind of clickbait video for y'all, you know, some optimized slop. But yeah, this is what it's really like.
Der. Den tager endda et foto, den tager video, altså.
Yeah,
Kommer op, og så lukker vi ned. Gør vi?
Men jeg har lukket ned, jeg ved ikke, hvem der har lukket op i det.
second day of no sleep.
Det var en af de andre drenge. Mo, altså, duer har altid fascineret mig på en eller anden måde.
De er fandme mærkelige.